I start with Minister of Industries. We are much concerned about the employment aspects, at the same time production as well. In the newspapers carry news item attracting the public. Also I think they satisfy the President, I suppose. Now I could read one news item which appeared, the Daily News. The Parandhan chemical factory, which was shut down, had presented a project report to the government to re-establish the factory in the same location. They have estimated the cost of project at rupees 3 billion. Parandhan Chemical stands on 217 acres and the factory will be established in the same location. Several foreign investors from countries such as India, Ireland and Dubai have come forward to invest in the chemical factory's reconstruction. The factory management is ready to initiate the reconstruction activities with one of these investors who agrees with the government's conditions, Parandhan Chemical Factory's chairman said. There is an annual need of 2,000 metric tons of chlorine and 15,000 metric tons of caustic soda in Sri Lanka, and the Parandhan Chemical Factory aims to manufacture around 25 tons of chlorine and caustic soda per day after reopening the factory, he added. Further, currently the chlorine is imported to meet the purification needs of the Water Resource Board, and this can be met by the Parandhan Chemical Factory. Now, we don't know the fate of it. It was a news item. We don't know when they are going to commence the industry. Looks as if from the news item, everything has been signed and they were supposed to start this factory and creating employment. Not only that, it very clearly it indicates there is foreign exchange could be saved. So, this is for the sake of giving interviews and giving ideas to the public has to be curtailed. Now we could see about the North Sea Limited. North Sea Limited, we have nearly 78,000 fishermen, fishing population. We have 18,500 fishermen actively engaged. And the sector contributes 20,000 metric tons seafood. It was produced in 2010. And the demand for fishing nets is in the region of 600 metric tons. The company currently supplies 10% of the demand, 60% supplied by the other companies. So here, again, one could foresee why this industry cannot be improved and why the government can't allocate more funds and it's only 10% is supplied. I think with this budget I could see nearly so many millions. I beg your pardon?
If you would have listened to my speech, you will be able to know that. I already mentioned that. We are going to expand that.
Thank you, Minister, for your advice. Once I'll come back. Yes, I overheard, I listened. In that I noticed 60,000 cottage industries you all are planning for. 60,000 cottage industries right through Sri Lanka. Now I'm asking, what was told in the last budget and did you all achieve that? So the question arises, every budget we have speeches which is giving some confidence to the public, but what I want is one has to analyze everything, and in that budget, if it is not achieved, that also has to be mentioned, not with the money that is. Now I want to ask another question from the Minister of Traditional Industries. For you, the capital expenditure is reduced from last year. Why? It is here. The record says 383,000 million, but last year 483.
Speech, you have said you are misleading the.
Sir, but this is here.
You are
This is given
misleading
by,
the past.
this is given by the
you are
Parliament
misleading
Library.
here. In your last speech, you have said only that is on 12th
Okay, I'll continue my speech, please. I'll continue. You can correct it in your final. Yeah. Now the capital expenditure, it is here, it is from the record. It is from the record, the government record. That's what I am telling. Not misleading. You can correct it. You can ask the library from where they got this information. No. You can ask it from the library where they got the information. So now about the North Sea. About North Sea, it is almost now 3.5 years. What is happening? No, that's right. Why can't the government invest? Why should they wait for Indian grant? Why they need not. Now we can see Minister of Industries, there is a firm called Ras Al Khaimah Cement Company. It's a UAE firm. They have, okay, correct me. They expressed their interest in reviving the KKS cement factory, $100 million investment. Now, there was a memorandum of understanding was sent in May to the Ministry of State Resources and Enterprises. This is not under your ministry, it goes under Ministry of Resource, but still, since it is industry, kindly take into consideration, they say the KKS factory ceased operations for 20 years. The Business Times reported. He said that in order to restart operation, a major overhaul and refurbishment of KCF's manufacturing facility is needed. So the ministry is seeking an appropriate party to take over the plant and recommence the operation. And in this case, that particular UAE firm showed their interest. But up to now you could say the proposed agreement with the UAE firm will arrange for a formal techno-economic feasibility study and on the viability and phasing of rehabilitating the plant. This study is expected to be completed within 4 months, and based on the techno-economic feasibility study and UAE company's determination that the project will be commercially successful, the Ministry and the UAE firm will enter into a long-term contract of not less than 35 years, will operate and manage the plant. But up to now, this was a new story, up to now we haven't heard anything. Now what I am trying to tell is, if the Parandan Chemicals, one second, if the Parandan Chemicals factory, no, that is, Honorable Aswar, you have, right, okay, you sit down please, don't disturb me, I am talking of some northern economic development, I am not coming and interfering with you. What I am interested is, Minister, I told you the other day, you are the worst person who is actually detrimental towards the reconciliation process of this country. Yes, I am telling you. Right. Well, what I want the Minister of Industries, what I'm trying to bring here is, if those industries, if they start the operation.
There are a point about Honorable Aswa. What's the point about?
Yeah, Honorable Deputy Chairman, he referring to me. I completely deny the charges that he's making, frivolous charges. But one thing, sir, now only his speech will be reported in the Sudaruli tomorrow, which is unfair by all the members who have spoken in this House. Please give an order that the speeches made by all the members must appear particularly in Sudaruli.
Okay,
Putra Shikhapani, my good friend, he is also not allowed to
Honorable Saranwani, carry on.
Yes. You better start. You start a paper in your own. Don't rely on others. See, the other day you were accusing in front of another Muslim minister. He didn't defend you. Right. Right. What I want to tell is, all these industries, KKS cement factory, the Parandan Chemicals, Otisutan, Otisutan and all the factories, if they commence, we can create employment. And you can give more employment there. Also, you can give more production, which can be a contribution towards the national economy. This is what I am trying to say. I'm trying to.
Honorable Saranova, you have 2 more minutes.
Other thing about this, I think we will have to improve the cottage. As you said, there is 60,000 cottage industries going to be. We have 11 million overall north and east, the Palmyra trees. And out of that, 7 million is in the north alone. But I think with that, government has to consider more allocations to start more cottage industries, which also can contribute, number of items. The pulp, I think I was listening that you have proposals to commence pulp producing in a large way, sweet toddy, then coir manufacturing. Yeah, that's right. That's what I said. All these things. Yeah, we will be monitoring. No, I overheard your speech. We will be monitoring until the next budget to what extent you will be achieving all these things. Because it should not be a flowery speech. Yes. Yeah, correct. We will be monitoring and it has to be notified to us. It has to be notified. Honorable Deputy,
Yes.
Honorable Chairman, see, he is taking my time. You must stop him now. He has been used to this type of characteristics.
You have 1 more minute.
No. Honorable Aswar, you are here to disturb everybody. Please don't do that.